We shall begin this course with a section on setting up Python. Introductory Python needed to understand the code presented in this course. Then we shall look at selected Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and even OpenCV. After this introductory section on the Python programming language, we shall move to matrix algebra, which covers basic matrix operations, followed by linear equations and transformations, where we apply our knowledge from matrix algebra in solving linear equations and doing transformations easily. We move to sections on vectors, then vector algebra, which is a very fundamental section in mastering linear algebra. We study other spaces like metric spaces, norm spaces, and inner product spaces. In orthogonality, we shall treat orthogonal bases and orthogonal projections. Then we'll look at the determinant of a matrix and the trace operator. The next section will be on 3 important matrix decompositions, which involve providing a more useful representation of a matrix, followed by a study of symmetric matrices and quadratic forms. Then finally, the different inverses a matrix can have. After these core sections, we shall have 2 sections on connecting the dots, where we make use of what we've learned in the core sections to apply in real-life problems. The first will be on linear regression, and the second on the PCA algorithm. We shall discuss the theory behind these algorithms and implement them with real-life problems. These 2 algorithms studied on connecting the dots are important algorithms in machine learning. In each section, there are several practical sessions which are brought to you in a Jupyter notebook. This will help you better understand the concepts and also give you hands-on experience on how to use what you've learned in solving real-world problems. There are also theoretical exercises and practical coding exercises to make you cement your knowledge. It's very important you take these exercises seriously, as they'll permit you gain more experience on linear algebra concepts. In the course of the lesson, there are little in-class exercises. To better make use of these exercises, you shall be required to pause the video, solve the exercise, then continue playing in order to compare the correct answer with yours. At Neuralearn.ai, we place much importance on feedback in order to give you that classroom experience. We are very quick to respond to questions, and for some questions, we shall record videos so that the concepts are better understood. So feel free to ask as many questions as possible and provide reviews, which will help us make our courses impeccable.